Everyone, I'm Puneet K. Shetty. My USN is 4SF18CS133, and my teammate is Spandan H. Shetty. His USN is 4SF18CS156. So, as a part of our Android mini project, me and my teammate have developed an app called as the Barbarians. As you can see here, this is the main logo here. So, if you just click on our app, the Barbarians, you can see the splash screen as well as the tagline here: "Mess with us and get cut." So, after splash screen appears, it will move you to the register page where you need to register in order to get into our app. So let me try to register my friend's name, Spandan. So what I'll do here is I have mentioned his name, mentioned his email, mm, password. Let me give his number as well. So let me click on register. As you can see, the user is registered successfully. So here what I need to do is I need to log in, so that I need to provide the email and password. So when I try to give the empty string and when I try to log in, as you can see, there is like an error which has been provided. That is nothing but the email is been required here. So let me put in his email and let me try with no password. Does it show me any error? Yeah, exactly. It will throw that the password has been required. So let me put in his passwords, and yeah, so I'll try to log in. As you can see, logged in successful, the message has been appeared here. So after this login page, you are moved to the onboarding page where you can see the instructions on the usage of our app. As you can see, book an appointment means user needs to book his slot in order to have his haircut. So that is the main thing. So you can also meet our barbers. Our service promises every user to fulfill their dream look. So this is the next thing, and last but not the least, confirmation. Once an appointment is confirmed, do visit our salon on allotted date. So these are the three onboarding pages. So when I just try to click on get started, you can see our main homepage of our app. So our homepage has several sections. As you can see, appointment, services, notification, barbers, trends, and ignore that logout. That is a default one, like which I've added. So this is the home page. As you can see, the logo as well as the name of our app, the Barbarians. So let me just introduce to each section one by one. So let me go first with the services section. As you can see, when I click on services section, it will provide the services which are provided by the barber shop. As you can see, it's haircut, trim, shampooing, massage, hair dye, and tattoo as well. So these are the services which are provided by our barber shop. Uh, Means any shop you can say. Next, what I do is I'll try with some other sections. Next, what I'll try to do is I'll move on with the barber section here down. As you can see here, actually, we are not barbers basically, me and Spandan. We are just a engineering student, third year undergraduate student basically. But still, we have taken this credit because we have developed this app. So this is me, Puneet K. Shetty, and this is my teammate Spandan H. Shetty. As you can see, these are our social profiles. You can even call us, but I haven't mentioned my number because uh, as I've hosted it in GitHub, what if someone downloads it and just calls me irrationally? So I haven't mentioned. You can even mention if you try to mention and put it. It will just go to call dialog, and you can call and just contact them. Next, these are like the social profile. When I click on YouTube, you can see these are the YouTube things which I don't want it to show. Next, yeah, so these are the Facebook. If I click on Facebook, it will go to Facebook, which I don't want to show once again. and as well as Google, like Google thing, Google email basically. So I'll come back. So there's one more section which I've provided in my app, that is nothing but the trend section. So this is the main section because I can't say main, but a new feature which I've provided in my app, that is nothing but the trends section. So in the trends section, if I click on trends section, like follow the trends in a hairstyle industry, that small set text comes there. Next, what happens is, as I've opened it, it might take some time, but as you can see here, there are like lots of uh, trends, means the YouTube trends which have been provided here. So let me just watch here first one. If I try to click on this, it will load me. It will show me all these things. So whatever I need to do, I can just move it forward. See, so which and all haircuts and any other style like tattooing, all tattooing and massage like that, or anything. If you want to see any sort of trends, or if you want to look good and stylish, you can get into this trend section and you can have your desired haircut. And next, let me just click on notification. If I click on notification, you can see that nothing it's been present here because I haven't uh, made any appointment with with our barber. So let me go to the appointment section first. Next, as soon as I got into appointment section, it will ask me the date. So let me give the same date, 8. Now let me go with the selected time. Let it be 1:29 p.m. So it will be converted in 24 hours format. So next, select the barber. So as Pandan has logged in, let him put my name as a barber because we have taken the credit of developing an app. So yeah, so let me try to book now. As you can see, congrats, your appointment is booked successfully. So after this, this means your appointment is booked. You can just go to details page and you can check here the date of the booking, time of booking, and the barber booked. Even you can go to notification page and just check. That is also fine. Even if you want to update, like you don't want same date, you can keep. Okay. Next, you want it on 1:30. So you want to remove that. Just now choose Pandan and try to book it. Now go back. Now see, it's been updated. Got it? Means that thing will be removed, the old thing. If you want to change it, you can just come here. You can just update it. It will be updated as well. So this is like basically a main feature. So if you don't select any date and time and just you try to book, empty fields are not allowed. If you just give the date, it will throw you an error. Same if you just like if you just give the time and book, it will ask you for the date. So it's like fully authenticated one, you can't get into. And the register, and so let me just log out from this. Okay, so let me go here. So I won't register right now because I have already registered in my name. So basically, I'll just move on to login. Actually, the register and login which I've given here has been what do we say? Like the backend, it's means that authentication is provided by the Firebase authentication section with the custom email and password thing, and the backend which I've used in my app is Cloud Firestore. So in order to retrieve data, it's really easy for me. So I've used Cloud Firestore as well as the Firebase authentication. Now let me just enter in my email. So this is me. Let me put in my password. Let me just log in. So as you can see, logged in successful. So this is the onboarding page which I've showed you before. Same thing will be showed it to mine. Yes. So welcome me to the world of Barbians. It will show you. Now what I'll do is I'll try to book appointment. Let me try to book on a 9th, and let me select the time to, yeah, let me keep it PM only. or no, no, PM, yeah, basically PM. Next, let me select the barber name as Pandan and try to book. So when I get into details page, you can see the date is mine itself, means only my specific data has been showed out here. If Now I'll show you like how what and all happens here. So this is basically my appointment date and time along with the barber booked. So let me show you one more thing. So if you go to notification, it will show you my details. So when I just log out and when I just enter Spandan's email and password, let me get into the app and let me show you his notification. As you can see, there is difference between my appointment date and his. See, his is on 8th and time is 1:30 and he has booked his barber. And when I get into my app, basically you can just see my details, so which I'm gonna show you right now. So I've see here, this is me basically what I've booked here. So this is our app basically. You can just create account if you want. If you don't want, you can just directly move on to login and just you can just get into our app. So actually it was a really great feeling to develop this app. This journey was really good while developing this app. As you can see the back end here, I've used a desktop site to show you this. So this is the back end of my app. So if I just click on authentication, as you can see Spandan's name, I'll zoom it for you. See, this is spandan@gmail.com and my name. And one more is his dummy thing, means he has logged in that I don't know his password and so I didn't put. So after this, let me show you the backend now. So authentication, as I've showed you from the backend, let me show you from the front end now. See, this is the data which has been retrieved and sent back to the app, and in the notification section it has been displayed. So this is maybe mine, I guess, mine thing. As you can see, the ID is different here, LRU something, it's been showed, the ID field is different. Even my ID is different, means Spandan's ID is different. As you can see, as he has booked on 9th. No, this is mine, I guess. That was Spandan's. So this is the Cloud Firestore. Actually, I could have used real time, but as Cloud Firestore is way more faster in retrieving and pulling up the data, like pushing the data back to the front end, it's really useful for me. So me and my teammate have developed this app. So I feel this is a really great opportunity. Developing an app, working in this sort of section. So thank you everyone. You can just get into Barbarians, as I've thought of launching it to Google Play Store, but I don't feel it right now. But I need to add some several sections. There are I need to add some navigation bars and all. That is my future references. So I hope you like the app. Thank you one and all.